kids! Today we're going to learn about colors, counting, and even a little bit about one of my favorite foods, pizza, using this cool pizza toy. Do you like pizza? Pizza is a round, flat bread with melted cheese, tasty sauce, and yummy toppings. People cut it into slices and eat it with their hands, kind of like a cheesy, saucy pie. Today, we're gonna run our very own pizzeria. We'll take orders from some of our friends. Let's see who our first customer is. It's Ryder from Paw Patrol. Hi, Ryder.
Paw Patrol is on a roll.
What would you like to order on your pizza?
What toppings do you have?
Let me show you. We have tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, bacon, green peppers, black olives, and pepperoni. All right, now that you know what toppings we have, do you think you know what you want?
Can I please have only toppings that are red?
Okay. Hey kids, can you find all the red toppings that we have? Yeah, there they are. The tomatoes, the bacon, and pepperoni. Here are all of our red toppings. Let's put them on the pizza for Ryder. All right, Ryder, your pizza is ready.
Thank you for my pizza.
No problem. Come back anytime.
Pizza Patrol to the lookout.
All right, let's see who our next customer is. Well, look at that. It's Bluey.
Good day, mate.
Wow, Bluey, you must have traveled an awful long way to get here today.
I just couldn't wait to try your American pizza.
That's so nice of you, Bluey. What would you like to order?
Can I please have a pizza with exactly 4 mushrooms and 3 green peppers?
Wow, Bluey, that's very specific. But we can do that for you. All right, kids, let's make Bluey's pizza. And we'll start with the mushrooms. Bluey said she wanted 4 of them. Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, there's the mushrooms. Now we gotta work on those peppers. Bluey said she wanted 3. Let's count those out now. 1, 2. All right, does that look like the right number of peppers? No, Bluey said she wanted 3 green peppers. We only have 2. We need 1 more. Here's green pepper number 3. Let's put it on the pizza. All right, there you have it, Bluey. Your pizza has 4 mushrooms and 3 green peppers.
Thanks heaps, mate. I can't wait to tell my family back in Australia about this.
Thanks again for stopping by, Bluey. Have a good one. All right, looks like we have 1 more customer coming. Who could it be? It's Oscar the Grouch. I didn't know you liked pizza, Oscar.
Yeah, I'll take mine with garbage and aluminum cans.
Sorry, Oscar. We don't have those for toppings here. Can you think of something else you might like?
How about a pizza with half onions and half black olives? Two of my favorite stinky foods.
Okay, Oscar. We can take care of that for you. Hey kids, Oscar said he wants his pizza half onions and half black olives. Half means splitting the pizza into 2 equal pieces. We'll put onions on one side and black olives on the other. Here we have 4 onions. Let's put them on the left side. And here are our 4 black olives. Let's put those on the right side. All right, we have our onions here on the left and black olives here on the right. We split the pizza in half. How does it look, Oscar?
That looks disgusting. Thank you.
Thanks, I guess. Hope you like it. All right, we did it. We did all the pizza orders for our friends and even learned a little bit about colors and counting. Thanks so much for playing with me. I hope you had fun. What's your favorite pizza topping? I'll see you again next time. Bye.